from PoS form, product of sums form, to sum of products form is kind of easier than from SOP to PoS. So let's assume we have a function, a Boolean algebra function, f of a, b, c, d, e, f, a or b bar, and c or d bar, we don't need to put, and e or f. In this case, we are going to use this distributive capability of Boolean algebra. A and b or c equals to a and b or a and c. In short term, ab or ac. Now assume this is a, this is b, this is c. So it is going to be a f equals to a or b bar, then c or d bar, and e or c or d bar, and f. Do this equation one more time in here, and it will be equal to a or b bar. Now this way, it's going to be equal to c e or d bar e or cf or d bar f. Now I just want to make it simpler. You always, if you have, for instance, a or b, for instance, c or d, then you don't need to make it like this way separately. Just go distribute like this. So it is going to be equal to a AC or AD or BC or BD. This is what we have in here. Now you need to do distribution again, but do A. Let's do A with this one, this one, this one, and this one, and B bar also. And all are going to be ORed together. So it will be A with CE or A and with D bar E or and A and with CF or A and with D bar F or now B. B bar. B bar, let's write it down here. B bar CE or B bar D bar E or B bar CF or B bar D bar F. This is the function F, and in terms of sum of products. This always PoS to SOP is easier.